Hello and welcome to another episode of How You Can Do It Too. Hopefully this is going to be a short and quick video. There's 1,000 out there, but I figured I would go ahead and try to do a short little video myself in real time. First thing you want to do is, as you can see, people dropping by, how loose this chain is. I've tightened it up all as far as it will go. It's an electric chainsaw. First thing you're gonna do is get your model number off of it. It's usually on a sticker on it somewhere. And getting the model number, just go down to your local lumber yard, parts store, anywhere sells chainsaw blades, and give them the model number, and you usually find it in the back from the different brands and stuff. But anyway, let's get started. I'm gonna try to make this real quick. On this particular model, there's this little Phillips head screwdriver on here. And also, while you're giving the model number, it'll say right on the blade, 16. Like this is 16-inch, blade. But first thing first, this particular model, you unscrew it right here. There we go. Take this one off a little screw, and it comes out a little more. There we go. Pretty dirty. Oh, definitely don't lose the screw. Then you're just gonna pull the blade forward. This one, this comes off like so. Let's see, take that out like that. Of course, it's going to give me a little pain. There we go. Just had to work it out. Try to make sure you keep the blade the same way so you don't get mixed up. But normally, clean all this gunk out and stuff. I'm not going to worry about it too much because I'm getting ready to get it all dirty again. But you can see it makes a mess. Anyways, try to keep it the same way. Open up this. Already you're probably thinking, well, could already find a shorter video. But this is 416. Get it all untangled. There we go. Get this off. Get the old one out of the way. Again, I'm gonna wipe it. And you spend more time, cleaning it up. I would. Lay it down. But get this on here. Like so. This back on. And you can see the little sprocket in the back. Let me get it all in there. Get it around the sprocket. There we go. Like that. And then you'll see when I get this other piece on there, see, you start twisting it. And then here's the little piece I was turning. tighten up the blade without the cover on. It kind of helps tighten it up. There again, make sure it's in the groove. There we go. Twist that a little bit. And we'll adjust it when we get this on here, but it's all in there. Cutting teeth's going to the back and the top's going to the front. Go ahead and put this piece on. Go ahead and get this in there. I love this screwdriver. It's a ratchet type. So, tighten that. Okay, let's see. And of course, this one you adjust it right here. Here's a little closer view of what I'm turning. This little black knob behind here actually tightens the blade up. And this actually just locks it into place by tightening up. But see, when I turn this, you see, trying to do it with one hand, see the blade moving? That just tightens up, loosens. When you get it where you want to, all this does is tighten it up, keeps it locked into place. That's roughly about where I want it. And then on this one, just tighten this piece down, and then keep checking it. I'm back up on it a little bit. Tighten this down. Tighten it up a little more. And there you have it. That's it. Hope this has helped you. Like I said, usually I spend more time cleaning it all out, but I figured what the heck, I'm getting ready to use it. And I've been making a lot of videos, so hope this has helped you, and have a good day.